Welcome to the Speed and Collisions video activity. If you have not completed the pre-lab questions, pause the video and do that now. When you're ready, start the video again. Part 1 is about making a hypothesis, but first we need to look at our materials and the setup. I'll be using 2 rulers, a little plastic container you can see there to use as the base of our ramp. I've got a plastic cube and a couple of chopsticks, and obviously we're going to use a marble. Notice the ruler that I'm using for the ramp has a little cutout groove which will help the marble to roll straight down the ramp. This activity is about speed and collision, a marble colliding with a plastic cube. We'll be releasing the marble from 3 different heights. The highest level will be considered fast. The next level down will be considered medium, and the lowest point on the ramp will be considered the slowest. Pause the video and complete Part 1, Hypothesis, on your lab report. When you're ready, start the video again. Part 2 is data collection, but let's get some clarification on how you are measuring. The cube will start out lined up with the edge of the ruler, and you will be taking measurements in centimeter. So I have a white line there showing you how that left side edge is lined up with the edge at 0 on the ruler. So after a trial goes, you'll look at that front edge of the cube, which will also be next to the marble, to record your length in centimeters. And here's an example of what it could look like. There will be 5 trials for each level. We'll begin with fast. There will be a video showing the trial and then an image of the distance that it traveled for each trial. Here is fast trial 1. Fast trial 2. Fast trial 3. Fast trial 4. Fast trial 5. Next up is medium, the next level down. Medium trial 1. Medium trial 2. Medium trial 3. Medium trial 4. Medium trial 5. Next is slow, the lowest level on the ramp. Slow, trial 1. Slow, trial 2. Slow, trial 3. Slow, trial 4. Slow, trial 5. And now it's time for you to complete your lab report. Good luck.